Today, I'm diving into my personal experience with Copy.ai, a tool that's been getting a lot of attention in the AI content space. I've used this platform for several weeks now, both for personal projects and professional work, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what you get with Copy.ai, how it performs, and whether it's truly worth your time and money. The homepage immediately hits you with promises of writing high-converting copy in seconds using artificial intelligence. It supports multiple languages, offers pre-built templates for everything from blog intros to social media posts, and has a clean interface. Signing up is quick, and the dashboard is modern and easy to navigate. When you enter the app, you're prompted to describe your project. Copy.ai then suggests content types, which helps streamline your process if you're unsure where to begin. I tested out several tools, including the blog post wizard, product descriptions, and email copy. While the platform is fast and generally intuitive, the quality of the outputs can be hit or miss depending on your prompt. You often need to provide clear, specific input to avoid vague or repetitive content. I noticed that short-form content like Instagram captions and email subject lines are usually strong. However, for long-form content, the tool sometimes falls short. It can generate coherent sections, but the flow and structure often require significant manual editing. Grammar and spelling are generally accurate, but the tone can feel generic unless you fine-tune it carefully. Many useful links you can find in the description. The pricing structure is fairly straightforward. There's a free plan with limited words per month, which is a good way to test the platform. The Pro plan unlocks unlimited words, priority support, and access to newer features. Compared to competitors like Jasper, Copy.ai is more affordable but offers fewer customization options. It doesn't have deep integration with SEO tools or Google Docs, which might be a deal breaker for advanced users. One of the biggest frustrations I encountered was the occasional lag in response time, especially when generating longer pieces. There's also limited version control or history tracking, so if you lose a good draft, it's hard to recover. Customer support is decent, with a responsive chat feature, but don't expect in-depth technical help. Copy.ai is great for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and marketers who need quick content but aren't too concerned about perfection. If you're a professional writer or editor, you'll likely need to invest time tweaking the output. It's not quite at the level of replacing human writers, but it's a solid tool for brainstorming, drafting, and beating writer's block. If you're considering an AI tool for everyday writing tasks, Copy.ai is a strong contender, especially for short-form needs. Just be aware of its limitations, particularly when it comes to long-form content structure and consistency. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and tutorials.